All 5 ducklings, 5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." All 5 ducklings came running back. Hey-da-now, hey-da-now.
4 ducklings returned, 4 little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 4 came waddling back.
Hey-da-no, hey-da-no. 3 ducklings splashed, 3 little ducks jumped in the stream, bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." Only 3 ducklings came back. Hey-da-no, hey-da-no.
2 ducklings roam, 2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." Only 2 ducklings came back.
Hey-da-no, hey-da-no. 1 duckling lost, 1 little duck went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but just 1 duckling found the way back. Hey-da-no, hey-da-no.
No ducklings left, no little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called, "Quack, quack, 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 quack," and all 5 ducklings came running back.
Hey-da-no, yo, yo, yo.
Na na na